Over these next 2 days, we're going to take some time to intentionally connect everything together. These next 2 days are a time of personal reflection that you get to take to examine your life, to examine the items that we've gone through over these past 2 weeks. You're looking for your purpose, and purpose comes from the sparks, the ideas, the things that matter to you that you may have uncovered over these last few weeks, or that you may have been considering for the last few years of your life. But I want to encourage you to really take time to examine over these next 2 days your purpose. I've got 3 goals for you over these next 2 days. First, we're going to develop a purpose statement. It's words that come together in a few sentences that help to articulate for you in a way to remember your purpose. Now, some of you may be able to write that purpose statement very easily. Others, it might be very difficult, but I would encourage you to take time to write something. Words carry life, and as you keep working with those words and refining a purpose statement, I really believe that it's going to be a very big help to you to articulate and guide you for your purpose. Second, you're going to take some time to write some specific goals to that purpose statement for you to start practicing and working toward that purpose. And then lastly, you're going to identify a trusted friend or mentor that you can talk about that purpose statement with, those goals, and get feedback and practice and interact. Feedback in your purpose journey is so important. Finding people that will champion you, encourage you, and talk through your purpose to help refine it and develop it further is so important. I mentioned to you earlier that purpose is a journey, and this program is going to help you really build a foundation for your purpose, but it's a lifelong journey that you're going to pursue on your own. When you take these 2 days of personal reflection, I'd encourage you to find a relaxing place, somewhere that's quiet, that's comfortable for you. For me, this is the back patio at my house, and I regularly take time to reflect and to think about what I've done in my life and where I'm going. I've taken much time to pray out here, to read, and it's just a space that I can get away from everything and just examine. And I want you to find a place. Maybe that's going for a walk, maybe that's your room, maybe that's somewhere you haven't found yet, that you can really take time to just pause and to think about what you've been going through these last few weeks and what your future may hold. And so I'm excited for you during this time. An examined life is a life that's worth living, where we actually get to interact and learn from what we've done, and to take that great wisdom that we're hearing and we're getting from the Lord, and to keep moving forward in a positive way. So I'm excited for you. Take a big deep breath and go ahead and spend these next 2 days on your own, reflecting on your purpose.